There's the mirror. Food. Got the fridge. Microwave. Got all our snacks and food. Over here we got our cooler. Extra bird stuff. A bird cage we're not using. Got the Christmas lights. The couch. A nice window. Got our desk here with our perfect little lovebirds that we love. Then we got a hallway. Here's the patio. And the river's out there. That's a maintenance room. And then nice little closet, some robes that the room came with. And then back here we have our other room. Got our stethoscope for encouragement. Got a bed just for my suitcase. Teak's collars. Another window. Got more lights. And then we got the bird cages over here. And then in here we got our bathroom. There's the bathroom. There's a TV, but it doesn't work. And then the shitter. And then my personal favorite, the glass shower door instead of a disgusting little curtain that everyone touches. And there's the second TV. And yeah, that's our little room. And here's our little loud beepers. And then we got a little bit of a wall of encouragement for my big day tomorrow. Yeah.